It's actually dripping, it's almost like a tap has been left on. We've just woken up. Well, actually we're awake during the night because it was quite stormy. There's a bit of lightning, lots and lots of rain. It's getting a bit flooded here. We're a little bit worried. We're glad we moved from where we were before, which was lower down. But I think it's time to move before we get flooded in.
Getting a bit scary out there. It's all mucky. It's time to hit the road and get to some, I don't know,
Just more solid ground.
yeah.
All right down this left side.
So
it's raining quite a lot, and we had a little gap in the windscreen.
And now it's completely leaking, and we are just parked up in a little car park with this sort of contraption, because it's almost...
It's actually dripping, it's almost like a tap has been left on.
Trying to think of somewhere we can drive undercover. We can't fit in a multi-storey because of our height. So what do we do? Charlie? What are we going to do? Any ideas? Yes. So Mini Vinny is taking the weight
Take
on his
one
back
for the team.
to hold up the drip tray,
These are pretty soggy now.
which you can see how much is dripping. Good on you, Mini Vinny, you're doing a good job. He's keeping that from collapsing. This is actually working okay at the moment. We just have to keep using towels and stuff. Hopefully it's going to stop raining. Okay, so we're just parked up in a jet wash undercover thing so we can dry the area where it's leaking inside. Can you bum up then? There's a big gap in the window.
So we're just getting this big thick black tape, which is pretty decent.
Just for now, until we can get dry, till we wait for the dry weather, and then we can silicone it again. Well, hopefully this will last us until the rain stops. There we go, we're all patched up, and let's carry on. I was going to hit the tape and come off rather than hit the windscreen and go in that gap. But roll on dry weather so we can get it siliconed up properly. Let's go.
Found a nice beachfront car park, which is concrete, so no matter how much it rains, we should be alright, shouldn't get stuck. Hasn't stopped raining, but luckily this seems to be doing the job. It's been an hour, and it's been raining quite a bit since then, and no leakage.
I actually like the sound of the rain on the van. It makes it feel really cosy inside when it's raining outside. As long as it doesn't rain for too long. Anyway.
As long as you don't get a leak and it's warm in the van.
Yeah, as long as you can fix any leaks. So what we do when it is raining, obviously, there's always so much editing. There's endless amounts of stuff that you can do on your laptop.
But when the batteries run out, solar panels can't produce
I'm going to
energy.
show you, and it's also nice to have a break from screens, because you spend a lot of time on screens, on your phone sorting things out or whatever else. So it's quite nice that we have got a little box up here with rainy day games. We've got like Jenga, we've got catapulting, we've got Scrabble, cards, yeah, just like some random little games, and it's just nice to do this sometimes rather than constantly on your phone. This is a perfect escapism when it's raining. I haven't done any of them yet, so I'm actually going to sit here and do this for a bit today. Let's play some...
What should we do? Scrabble, Jenga, cards, tricks,
let's do some
Cluedo.
Jenga.
All of them. Let's play all of them. Unfortunately, when you've got dogs, no matter whatever the weather, you still need to take them out for a walk. They still need to go out.
Question is, who's taking them out? Me or you?
Paper, scissors, stone then?
Okay, go on then.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Dizzy out, ready? He's dizzy now.
Well, it stops his back getting really wet. Look at them. Oh, look at Charlie. Right, you ready to go for a walk with your papas?
Right, here we go. Dizzy's shaking already, shivering. He's not going to enjoy this.
Oh.
Charlie, come on.
Get your wheeze done, then you can hurry back.
Come on.
Go on, Charlie.
Give me his lead, darling, quick. Well, mate, what part of you thought that he'd just run out and go for a walk?
You got a wee whiz.
Charlie, you need to go wheeze.
Quick, go on.
Charlie! Nobody said it was going to be easy. Ah, the trick is, when they don't want to walk, you just grab them. Get the towels ready. Get the towels ready.
Did they go wee wees?
Dizzy both. Charlie was a struggle.
Oh, let me get the towels. You know, the little rain jackets,
Here we go.
obviously, don't cover their whole body, but all what's wet now is actually his face.
His face and,
And
his
his
legs.
paws and his back and his stomach is dry
His
completely.
jumper's still warm.
Yeah, so it does make a difference.
Is he?
His jumper's still dry.
Oh.
It's your face, isn't it, little one? There we go, you can dry yourself on the regular. Good boy going now. I know it's not very nice.
Nice at all, is it? Right, I'm ready to come in now.
It's getting dark as well, isn't it? It's getting late now.
Let's go. Get that heating on again.
Yeah, definitely.